Yo, I just saw a trick online with the vending machine in the door, and I wanted to try it to see if it works. Apparently, you put money in it, you select what you want, keep the door open, and something's gonna happen. It's not, well, we're gonna try. So I'll put $4 because that's all I've got, and I will select B1, and then I'm gonna hold the door like this, and I'm gonna wait. I'm supposed to try a few times. Still trying. It's pushing me badly. It's supposed to say homing Y. Oh. Instead, it just gave me back my change. Wyoming X. Got my money back. Well, that's my change back. See, enjoying a refresh. So now I'm supposed to leave the door closed and put cash in it. Put $63. And now I'm going to select B1 again, but this time I'm just gonna leave it go. It's supposed to go in here. I'm not touching it. And then press this also for a few seconds. Then error. Perfect. And it gives my change back. Well, I got my pop, but my soda, but that's the last $3. So I actually paid for one. So this doesn't work. It doesn't work because I put this. That's the last change I put in, but I put $4 before, and I got the change back. So it didn't work. Well, I got something to drink, but it didn't work. That's a bummer.